The red-billed Leiothrix, Leiothrix lutea. Red-billed Leiothrix is a small babbler measuring 14 to 15 centimeter and weighing 18 to 28 gram, known for its bright red bill. Its plumage includes a crown, nape, and back that range from dull to bright olive and grey, with cream-colored lores, a supraloral stripe, and an eye-ring. The bird has pale buffish-gray ear-coverts, an olive to blackish-olive sub-moustachial stripe, and a yellow-orange throat and chin. Its belly and undertail-coverts are dull yellow with olive-grey flanks. The wings are black with yellow-orange edges, and the tail is glossy black, deeply notched, and curves outward at the tip. The sexes are similar, though females are slightly smaller, with a duller greenish-olive crown and grayer ear-coverts. Juveniles have duller wing patches, yellow throats with a rusty breastband, and slaty-grey upperparts, with a black bill that has red near the tip. This bird is found across China, Hong Kong, India, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Vietnam, and Pakistan. They feed on a mix of fruits, such as strawberries and papayas, as well as insects. They typically forage in the lower strata of vegetation, feeding on foliage and dead wood. During the non-breeding season, it is usually seen in groups of 10 to 30 birds, but during breeding, it forms pairs and becomes territorial. The male sings complex songs to attract a mate, especially during the breeding season, which lasts from April to September. The Leiothrix builds an open cup-shaped nest composed of dry leaves, moss, and lichen, often placed within 10 feet of the ground. The female lays 2 to 4 eggs, which are broad, blunt, and pale blue with reddish-brown spots near the larger end. Newly hatched chicks have bright red skin and orange-red gaits. They are not globally threatened and is classified as least concern on the conservation status scale. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.